Are you pulling your hair out because your local Minecraft LAN isn't connecting? Let's dive into troubleshooting why your Minecraft Multiplayer LAN might be giving you the cold shoulder, step by step. First, make sure all players are connected to the same local network. This is fundamental for a LAN connection success. Think Wi-Fi or an Ethernet cable. Verify everyone can access the internet. Next, let's check the basic game setup. The person hosting the game needs to choose Open to LAN from within the game menu while playing in a single-player world. Once they do this, the game will provide a port number. Keep this number handy, it's important later. Now it's time for the other players to connect. In the multiplayer menu, they should select Direct Connect. They will enter the host's internal IP address, followed by the colon and then the port number, as displayed on the host screen. For instance, it might look like 192,168,110,050,000. If that doesn't work, the host can also provide the server's public IP address along with the port number. Keep an eye out for the game to appear in the server list so everyone can join. Firewalls can often be the culprit. Windows Firewall or any other security software you're using might be blocking the connection. Make sure you've allowed Minecraft and Java to communicate through your firewall settings, adding an exception if necessary. If you've checked all these steps and are still having issues, try restarting the host's game and then restarting the Minecraft servers also. Make sure everyone is using the same version of Minecraft. If the problem persists, double check those network connections and remember to have fun playing. Hopefully, you're now connected.